Can I tell you something I wish I'd heard sooner? You don't need the perfect planner to start. Seriously, not the prettiest one, not the most expensive one, and definitely not the one that matches what everyone else is doing online. Because the truth is, the planner doesn't do the work. You do. Now, I spent so much time thinking the next planner would be the one that fixed everything: my routine, my focus, my entire life. I'd research layouts, compare covers, wonder, do I need an hourly? Do I need a daily? Do I need a weekly layout? And meanwhile, I wasn't starting. I was just waiting for perfect. But perfect never came. And here's what finally helped me shift: start with today. Don't worry about filling out the whole week. Just start with today. Write the date, maybe one thing you want to get done. Even if it's do the dishes or rest, that's it. You've just started. And that's a big deal. And also, messy is allowed. Your planner doesn't have to be aesthetic. Your handwriting can be scribbly. You can leave blank pages. You can change your mind. It's your space, not a performance. It's a practice. And make it yours. Do you hate filling in habit trackers? Then don't. Love stickers? Go wild. Prefer planning at night? Perfect. There are no planner rules. You get to choose what works for your brain, your energy, and your season of life. You don't need a magical system. You just need a small, kind starting point. You're not behind. You're not doing anything wrong. You're just human, and that's more than enough. Now, if this has helped you take a little pressure off your shoulders, go ahead and tap so it can reach someone else who might need it too. And hit that subscribe for more real, imperfect planning support. Now, if you do want a free, simple habit tracker printable to download, check the description to find out how. It's linked below. It's gentle, it's doable, and it's made for you. Let's make planning feel like self care again, one page at a time.